Okay, I might do this soon. Combine this with that. I'll tell you the reason. She badly disabled now. 2 strokes plus arthritis in spine and my neck. It gave me major problems in everyday life, never mind getting around. So I'm thinking, I would have to use given my breast size that very weak. So I would have to use a left-hand drive vehicle. So I can use my left leg to maneuver myself. So a left-hand drive calm shift automatic would be best for me. I've been thinking about this for a couple of years now. I would like to get started, and I would love an American vehicle. Really would. I've driven a couple of American cars, brilliant. So the idea would be to combine the crane with that for my electric wheelchair. Just make sure that can swivel. Oversized. Also obviously, but oversized. Hook up the wheelchair and get in. They say the idea of that for a long time, that's what I say. I would like to try it. I would like to be able to drive again. Okay, bye.